convert the following fractions into decimals. So we have 5 fractions here and we're going to convert all of them to decimals. This right here, if we have 1.123, this first place is called the tenths place. This where the 2 is called the hundredths. And where the 3 is called the thousandths, with little THs there. So that's very important notes, basically, for converting fractions into decimals. Tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. So this says 7/10. So the way we read that is there's a 7 in the tenths place. So it's just 0.7. And then we're done. 0.7. And that's that one. The next one, 3/10. Well, same idea. We want a 3 in the tenths place. So the answer is just 0.3. I guess we could have put a 0 here. 0.3, and we can check it, and it's 0.3. Now 57 hundredths. So this one says we want a 57 in the hundredths place. Well, basically the last number of the 57 needs to be in the hundredths place. So this would be 0.57. Since this is the hundredths place, we call this 57 hundredths, which is also what we call this fraction, 57 hundredths. Then the same idea with the 567 thousandths. We want the last digit to be in the thousandths place. So since there are 3 digits, this is just 0.567. Now the 1/2's a little different because we don't have a half for one of these. Now these are called halves. So we need to make this either with a 10 on bottom or a 100 or 1,000. If I multiply the bottom by 5 and the top by 5, I now have a 10 on bottom. And 1 times 5 is 5, so this is 5/10. And then a 5 in the tenths place is 0.5. And that's the answer to that one, 0.5. So there's just a couple problems, but this is the idea of how to convert fractions into decimals. If you want to practice more of these, I have a page online. Here's the page right here. I'll include a link down below in the description. There's tons of practice problems. You can try all these out, and they all have answers. And there's even some challenge problems. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll try to make another video answering your question. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Anti-math.